Are you a woman who has been hesitant to lift weights? Have you been sticking to cardio or yoga, thinking that weightlifting is just for men? Well, it's time to rethink that. Strength training is not just for men, and the benefits for women are numerous. First and foremost, strength training helps build muscle. And no, that doesn't mean you'll bulk up like a bodybuilder. Instead, building lean muscle mass helps boost your metabolism, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. But that's not all. Strength training also improves bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis, a common condition for women as they age. And let's not forget about the mental benefits. Lifting weights can increase confidence and reduce stress. So why should you lift weights? For stronger bones, a healthier metabolism, and a more confident you. It's time to step up your workout game and see the benefits of strength training for yourself. Strength training, also known as resistance training, involves using weights or other forms of resistance to build muscle and increase strength. While many women shy away from strength training, thinking it will make them bulk up like men, the truth is that strength training is an incredibly beneficial form of exercise for women. Here are some of the top benefits of strength training for women. Increased muscle mass. Strength training helps build lean muscle mass, which not only helps you look toned and fit, but also boosts your metabolism. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even when you're not working out. Improved bone density. Women are at a higher risk for osteoporosis than men, and strength training can help reduce that risk. When you lift weights, your bones respond by getting stronger and denser, which can help prevent bone loss and fractures. Reduced risk of injury. Strength training can also help reduce your risk of injury, particularly in the lower back and knees. When you have strong muscles, they can better support and protect your joints during everyday activities. Better posture. Sitting at a desk all day can wreak havoc on your posture, but strength training can help. When you have strong back, shoulder, and core muscles, you're better able to maintain good posture throughout the day. Increased confidence. Strength training can also boost your confidence, both in and out of the gym. When you see your body getting stronger and more toned, you feel better about yourself and your abilities. Reduced stress. Exercise in general is a great stress reliever, but strength training in particular can help you blow off steam. The focused, repetitive movements of lifting weights can be meditative and calming, helping you clear your mind and reduce stress. If you're new to strength training, it's a good idea to work with a trainer or take a class to learn proper form and technique. Start with lighter weights and gradually increase as you get stronger. And don't be afraid to ask for help or guidance if you're unsure about something. In summary, the benefits of strength training for women are many and varied, from building muscle and boosting metabolism to reducing the risk of injury and improving posture. So if you haven't tried lifting weights before, it's time to give it a try and see the benefits for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel.